Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best RC helicopters for kids in 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Remote Control Helicopter for Kids. Feature-packed RC helicopter, easy, fun, and safe for all ages. Experience longer flight times with 2 modular batteries, giving you 10+ minutes per battery. Fly while charging the spare for uninterrupted fun. The easy-to-assemble design includes 2 interchangeable helicopter shells, so you can switch up the look to match your style with 1-key takeoff, /landing, and trim control. Even beginners and kids can pilot this 2.4 GHz RC helicopter effortlessly. Its gyroscope technology ensures stable flight, while altitude hold lets it hover at a fixed height automatically. Plus, the non-jamming remote system allows multiple helicopters to fly together, perfect for group fun. Fly at 2 speeds, high/low, with an 80 m control range, and enjoy nighttime flights with its bright LED lights. Built with a durable metal frame and child-safe flexible blades, this is the ultimate indoor flying toy, an ideal gift for birthdays or Christmas. Number 2. GUL RC C129 RC Helicopter for Adults and Kids. Looking for a fun and easy-to-fly RC helicopter? This compact, aileronless model is designed for smooth, stable flights, making it perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With full flight capabilities, up/down, left/right turns, forward/backward movement, and side flying, you'll have precise control at your fingertips. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures superior stability, so you don't have to constantly adjust mid-flight. Plus, the aileronless design reduces weight and drag, making the helicopter more powerful and responsive in the air. Thanks to its air pressure altitude hold, you can effortlessly hover at a steady height, making it easier to focus on maneuvers. With a 2.4 GHz remote control and up to 100 meters of range, you can fly without interference, even with multiple helicopters in the air. Whether indoors or outdoors, this portable RC helicopter is the perfect way to enjoy thrilling flights anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Dirk D51 Remote Control Helicopter. This easy-to-assemble RC helicopter is designed for everyone, from beginners to pros. With 2 interchangeable shells, you can customize your helicopter's look in seconds. Thanks to 1-key takeoff, /landing, and altitude hold, flying is effortless, keeping the helicopter steady in midair. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures a stable, interference-free signal, even when multiple helicopters are flying at the same time. Featuring 2 modular batteries, you'll get 20+ minutes of total flight time, letting you enjoy extended play without long recharges. Choose between high and low speeds for versatile flying experiences, and with bright LED lights, night flights become even more exciting. With a 50-meter control range, you'll have plenty of room for aerial fun. Made with a durable metal body and flexible blades, this kid-safe helicopter makes the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, and RC enthusiasts alike. Number 4. SYMA S107HR. The SYMA S107H is a top choice for beginners and kids, featuring an altitude hold function that keeps the helicopter steady at a set height, making it easier to control. With 1-key takeoff/landing, flying is as simple as pressing a button. The helicopter will hover automatically, ensuring a smooth experience. Built with a durable alloy body, this helicopter is designed to withstand crashes, giving it a longer lifespan for extended fun. The full 3.5-channel control allows for up, down, left, right, forward, and backward movement, offering flexibility and stability in the air. Plus, with 2 frequency options, you can fly up to 2 helicopters simultaneously without interference. Safety is a priority. This model meets multiple certifications, FCC, CE, ROHS, ASTM, and more, ensuring it's safe and reliable for kids to enjoy worry-free fun. Number 5. Mini RC Helicopter with Euro Blue. Experience the thrill of flying with this 3-channel remote control helicopter, designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Featuring 2 selectable frequencies, you can switch between channels to fly alongside a friend without interference. The upgraded Euro system ensures superior stability and smooth control, making every flight effortless and precise. Despite its compact size, this helicopter packs a powerful performance, delivering a strong, responsive flight experience indoors and outdoors. Adding to the excitement, the colorful flashing lights make night flying more fun, allowing you to soar through the air with a dazzling display. Whether you're perfecting aerial maneuvers or enjoying casual flights, this RC helicopter provides hours of entertainment with its advanced features and easy-to-use controls. Get ready to take off and experience the perfect blend of stability, power, and fun.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.